Let's discuss the exam pattern for the preliminary exam of NIACL AO Main exam. NIACL AO Mains are the two categories, generalists and specialists. It consists of objective type questions. The paper is for 200 marks followed by a descriptive paper of 30 marks. There is negative marking. You will be deducted 1/4 marks for every wrong answer. For generalists, for this exam, you are given 2 hours or 120 minutes. It has 4 sections of 50 marks each. These are reasoning ability, English language, general awareness, quantitative aptitude. Except the test for English language, the candidate will have the option to attempt all the other tests in both English and Hindi medium. For specialists, the time given is 120 minutes. There are 5 sections, each of 40 marks. Reasoning ability, English language, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and technical and professional knowledge test. Now let's discuss the exam pattern for the descriptive paper. It includes an English language paper to test your letter and essay writing skills. It is for 30 marks. You will be given 30 minutes. 20 marks is for essay writing and 10 marks is for letter writing. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.